welcome back. So we had complete sunshine once again as we made our way through the day today. It was pretty windy and a little cooler compared to yesterday when we were well into the 80s. Only had high temperatures near 70, but our average high is 64 degrees. So we're still well above where we should be this time of year, even on what we would call a cooler day compared to the weather pattern we're in. Down to 66 right now in North Platte. Wind northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And that dew point, pretty dry out there. That westerly flow is dry in this climate. So dew point at 39 degrees. Here's a look at your temperatures outside. Temperatures into the mid to upper 60s out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. Low to mid 60s at Valentine, Hyannis, and Thedford. Mid to upper 60s as you make your way out toward Ogallala and Imperial. With the winds mainly from a northwesterly direction. Wind speeds right now sustained between 15 and 25 miles per hour. And wind gusts out there 25 to 35 miles per hour across the entire viewing area. So that westerly component is keeping us pretty dry. The tail end of that low pressure system that came through yesterday is hitting portions of northeastern Nebraska, but we have stayed on the clear side with a few more clouds as you make your way into the panhandle. But you can see the system is still spinning around into the northern plains. No funnel clouds from this system today. That usually does happen. I keep my eye on that when it does go over the flat terrain, but we escaped that today. We did have high pressure working its way in. We're on its cool side, and now this high pressure system is going to crest over us and move off to the east. And this high is going to continue to give us a good amount of sunshine and a nice warm up as we go through the next several days. So as we go through this evening, maybe a few passing clouds, temperatures falling back to near 50 as we close in on the midnight hour, and then going through the overnight, mostly clear skies with low to mid 40s across the region. Wind still staying northwesterly, but we're going to have a good amount of sunshine and it'll be pretty dry out there. That dry air does warm up pretty quickly. So highs will be into the upper 70s to near 80. Once again, well above average for your Thursday afternoon. Clear skies as we go overnight into Friday, so we'll cool off. Lows near 41 degrees just after daybreak, and by Friday afternoon, we are way back up there above average into the low to mid 80s, still with a good amount of sunshine. So we're on the highest cool side now. It will move just off to our south, continue to give us clear skies, lots of sunshine through the daylight hours, and then we have these lows riding the jet stream off to our north as high very slowly moves off to the south, and all that can happen is we have that direct flow from the south that will really keep us warm and dry as the high gives us a good amount of sunshine. Let's take a look at what to expect as we go through the weekend. So warm from here and over the Rocky Mountains, hot along the southern U.S. Mexican border, and as you can see, dry conditions in the south as the northeast and northwest still continue to get a good amount of rain, especially during the weekend hours. They've been unlucky the past couple of months, and that little slice of cool air will move into the Midwest. So expect more of the same sunshine and warm air through the weekend and beyond. We'll keep a little bit of wind too, breezy to windy conditions for your Friday and Saturday, sunny skies. Temperatures fall from the lower 80s Friday into the lower 70s for Saturday, lower 70s again on Sunday, and 69 for Monday with breezy conditions, more clouds, and then Tuesday night into Wednesday we will increase the chance of some showers as temperatures fall back into the lower 60s for highs. Kent?
Kind of nice to see that we're not quite done with the 80s yet.
Yeah, 80s over the next couple of days possible.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And coming up, it's Wednesday.